My goodness, I am feeling 100 times better than yesterday, which yesterday I would consider myself in negative numbers, so I'm not 100% yet, but I feel like I'm getting there. So when I got home from work last night, Matt made us festive chai tea lattes and we decorated the memory tree, and Sadie watched. As you saw last night, I have 2 trees. I don't not want to put up my old ornaments, but I also want to have a tree that's a wow tree. Hence my idea for 2 trees. Now, this second tree is much smaller, so I have actually put it on top of a bar cart with a piece of glass on top to give it height. And so then underneath the tree, I can have a little hot cocoa station. Now let me show you some other fun ways I brought Christmas into the house. We love this cabinet. It was given to us by my father-in-law, and I started doing this last year. I take a good portion of the decor and glasses out and replace them with festive decor and glasses. Now, if you're wondering where I store the stuff that I take out of the cabinet, I just put it into the Christmas boxes because the Christmas boxes are now empty because now what was in the boxes is now in the cabinet. And then when I'm ready to take the Christmas decorations down, I bring back the box to put the decorations in, and the glasses that were originally in the cabinet are now in the box, and they can easily be switched out. I know, so smart. Another thing I do is with vases that already have fake flowers in them, I just add a few extra Christmas looking flowers, leaves, or berries to them, and it turns it Christmassy. Such an easy and inexpensive way to add even more Christmas cheer. Now, the last thing I'll share with you today and what I'm loving is pine. For Thanksgiving, I had fake eucalyptus and live pine going down the center of the tables. And after it was all over, I took that pine and added it to some vases, and hello, it felt so festive. And again, really inexpensive. I got it from Trader Joe's, and it really helps bring the essence of having a live tree in your home without actually having a live tree in your home. So feel free to steal the idea. That's what I'm here for. That was crazy. I happened to pop on YouTube right as Taylor Swift's new Christmas Tree Farm song was premiering the video. I love me a good T Swift song. It was cute to see all her little home videos from the video. So if you haven't seen it, go watch it. It's out now.